Bonjour. Let's go over the different ways to say hello in French. Are you ready? Okay, repeat after me. Écoutez et répétez. Bonjour. 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 It can mean good morning, can mean hello, can mean good day. It means all of these things in English. Bonjour. Bonjour. Okay, so if you don't learn any of the other ones, learn your bonjour. Okay? The second way to say hello that we're going to learn is bonsoir. 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 Bonsoir means good evening. Good evening. You say this in the evening time. All right? If you're with your friends, then you can say salut. 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 Salut is informal. You don't want to say this to a stranger necessarily, unless it's someone your own age. If you're a teenager, that's fine. You can say it to another teenager. But you don't want to say it to an older adult, okay? Stick to bonjour for that, okay? So we have 3 ways now. Let's repeat them again. Bonjour. Bonsoir. Salut. The next one I'm going to tell you about is also informal. Coucou. Coucou. All right, this is something that little kids say. So, again, informal. You can say it to your friends. It's fun. Coucou. All right, so let's review again. We've said bonjour, bonsoir, salut, coucou. All right, the last one we have is if you're going to answer the phone. All right, you answer the phone, you say allo, allo. Voila. More time. Allo. Okay, so we have bonjour, bonsoir, salut, coucou. All right,